Want pro-level design power? Canva Pro gives you custom templates, premium photos, videos, and audio. You get unlimited premium content, one-click background remover, and magic resize. Save branded templates, create multiple brand kits, and use premium fonts, or even upload your own. Enjoy instant animation, premium video editing, and video background remover in one click. Use AI tools like text-to-image, Magic Write, PDF editor, and over 25 smart features. Access a huge stock library, transparent exports, 100 gigabytes plus cloud storage, and schedule posts straight to social media. See how to get all this and more for free without paying about $12.99 per month or $120 per year. The best editing software you can get, pro templates, premium assets, and AI tools, all for free. Watch to the end, and I'll show you exactly how to do it yourself. Plus, there are bonus tips and extra goodies waiting for you. Ready? Let's get your Canva Pro features absolutely free.
So guys, welcome once again to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Canva Pro for free. Yes, and this is not a lifetime subscription as you usually hear. There's not like a lifetime subscription. Do not get scammed. So this will be done every month to renew it. So you have to do this every month. First of all, go to your Chrome. Then you search for bingotingo.com. So I already searched for it, so that's why it's in my search bar. So you go to bingotingo.com. Then when you get here, you scroll down. Yeah, just keep scrolling. Okay, yes. Then you see how to Canva. Yes, so this is it. You now click on it. So when it redirects you, you just go back to the original page. Okay, so when you get to how to Canva, you start scrolling down. Just keep on scrolling, and you will see a timer here, and it will start from 59 seconds. That is 1 minute, and it will be counted down to 0 seconds to give you a link. So you just have to wait for it to load. Yeah, so I think I will pause the video here and I will start it back when it's much more. Okay, so yeah, I've started it now. It's going to 5 4 3 2 1. Then you get your download link. So you click on it. When it redirects you as before, you just go back to the original page, then keep trying, and yes, it will bring you here to a page, Biosium. So you have to click on the get here button. The same thing, when it redirects you, you go back to the original page. Then mind you, I already logged in my Canva account, so you have to log in your Canva account firstly before you come here to click on this. So log in your Canva account, then you click on the get here, and you redirect you right to your Canva. Yes, direct you to the Canva website. So you have to be logged in for it to actually show your account. So if you are not logged in, you have to log in your account after clicking the link. So it's basically the same thing, but log in before you do it just to make it easier. So now, yes, I've gained access to the class. So I will show you that it's actually not a free subscription, so it's actually a class. So all the pro features, all the pro templates, the pro stickers, the background remover editors, all the effect animations, wherever, it will be unlocked right here. So the network is not really good, so just have to wait for some time. So while we are waiting, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this to help you get skills and more about tech. So here's the class. So just have to wait. This is taking longer than it's supposed to take. Okay, so now here is it. Here is the class. You can see it's not a free subscription, it's actually a class. So everything is unlocked. So like, share, comments, engage for more videos, and don't forget to turn on your notification. Thank you.